This is a real breeze compared with Apple's process, which first of all requires an annual recurring fee of $99. Even if you only have one app to get a couple of downloads per month, you will be paying $99 each year to keep it live. So in Apple's App Store, it is more expensive as compared to Android. Now, I know at least one developer who had a joke app rejected because it was not funny or entertaining enough. So, they have a lot of moderators also, so they can reject your applications also. The risk with iOS though is that you spend months creating an app you are very happy with only for it to be rejected and never see light of the day. So with the iOS developer there is a risk that you are working hard for a particular app and then that app gets rejected, so there is a risk also. What's more, using Android simply gives you more creative freedom and more content when it comes to control. So being an Android developer is uh, more secure. On another thing, in order to develop for iOS, you are going to need to buy yourself a Mac computer, an iOS device to test on. This, in contrast to developing for Android, which you could theoretically do without even needing an Android phone by using emulators. So you will need a Mac computer for testing or developing devices, but in case of Android, uh, you will also don't need an Android phone also, you can use emulators. Android versus iOS for dollar. The first good news, there are considerably more users on Android compared with iOS, but iOS users are likely to spend 2.5 times more on apps than Android users are. Put simply, iOS users tend to have a little more money in their pockets and are somewhat more inclined to use it. In reality, that 2.5x is equivalent to 1.08 versus 0.43 per app iOS. So Android is better. That means there are more users on Android. There is simply too much investment and risk involved in developing for iOS, and barriers to entry are too high. Android, on other hand, allows you to start developing games right away and reach a much larger audience with more creative freedom and less chance of your creation being rejected. Android and Unity, a match made in heaven. That means Android and Unity are compatible with each other. Hopefully, you are now convinced that Android is a platform of choice for indie game developers. So, Android is a platform of choice. That means for indie developers, Android is helpful. The other key part of our strategy is Unity 3D. We have already seen some of the incredible advantages that Unity offer, and by choosing to develop for Android with Unity, you artistically lower the barriers or becomes entry for becoming developer. So it is easier for Android users for developing games. Now Unity interface is incredibly beginner friendly and allows you to simply drag and drop many of elements around screen as needed. That means Unity interface is easy and lot of tools are available there. As we have seen, Unity is also cross-platform and allows you to publish multiple formats at touch of a button. That means Unity can also be used for Android devices, iOS devices, etc. It is a cross-platform and it can publish multiple platforms at a touch of a button.